New to video editing and want an easy way to get started? VEED.io is a browser-based video editor that lets beginners upload footage, trim clips, add text and subtitles, improve audio, and export finished videos without installing traditional editing software. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use VEED.io for beginners in 2026. So let's get started. First, open VEED.io in your web browser and create an account or sign in. You can use options such as Google, Apple, Microsoft, or your email address. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the dashboard where you can create a new project or open one you've already started. Next, click Edit Video to start a blank editing project. You can also begin with a template, an AI-generated video, or a recording, depending on what you're creating. For this beginner tutorial, we'll start with a simple project and add our own video. Now upload your video, audio, images, or music. You can select files from your computer or drag and drop them into the editor. VEED supports common video formats, including MP4 and MOV, so you can usually start with the files you already have. Once your video is on the timeline, start with the basics. Trim unwanted sections, split clips, crop the video, and arrange your footage in the order you want. Take a moment to preview your changes as you edit. VEED also lets you add text, music, transitions, and other elements to your project. Next, make your video easier to follow by adding subtitles. VEED can automatically generate captions, which you can then edit and customize. You can also adjust or mute audio and use available audio tools to improve the sound of your video. Finally, preview the entire project and make any last changes. When you're ready, export the video and download or share the finished result, so your first VEED video is complete. Keep in mind that export quality and watermark options can depend on your VEED plan, and that's how to use VEED.io for beginners. Sign up, create a project, upload your media, make basic edits, add subtitles and audio improvements, and export your finished video. Once you understand these basic tools, you can start exploring templates, AI features, screen recording, and more advanced editing options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.